Okay, and we're back for the next page. If you haven't got it up yet, it's page 349. So get that from Notability, or get that from Schoology and put that in Notability. Okay, so same kind of problems. We're just going to read this first one. Joanne. Joanne made 16 fruit bars. Okay, so she made 16 fruit bars in a square pan. And the fruit bars are 2 inches by 2 inches. Ooh, so not just 1 by 1. What are the dimensions of the pan she used to bake the fruit bars? Oh, so what are the dimensions? We're missing a side length then. Okay, so she made 16 fruit bars in a pan, and they are 2 inches by 2 inches. Let's try to think this one out then. So if each one, well, she made 16 fruit bars. I got to try to think. Well, if it's square, this is an area kind of a problem because the fruit bars go on the inside. What two numbers multiplied together would equal 16? 4 and 4. Okay, I'm getting this now. So I'm going to get rid of this line here just to make sure I get this even. So, because I got to think about an area problem. So 16 fruit bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 fruit bars. So I have 4 in each, but those aren't 1 inch long though. She said these are 2 inches long. So I can't say that this is 4. I have to think that each of those are 2. So if this is 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, what's 2, 4, 6, 8? So it's 8 inches long. And this is 2, 2, and 2, because each bar's, so it's 8 inches long. So it is 8 inches long and 8 inches wide. That's a tricky one. All right, I'm going to do number 10. A scout troop is making triangular pennants for their tents. 2 sides of each pennant are 2 feet long. Make sure I get this. Triangular pennants. 2 sides of each pennant, and a pennant, it's kind of like a flag, but it's triangular. That's what I need to know. 2 sides are 2 feet long, and the third side is 1 foot long. How much binding tape is needed to go around 4 pennants? I'm just going to draw my picture here. Okay, 2 sides are 2 feet, and 1 side is 1 feet. I need 4. That's 1 pennant so far. And just 1 pennant is 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So it's just 1 pennant. So I need to get another one. 2, 2. I know that's going to be 5 again. Got to do 4 of these. Got to do another one. 2, 2, 1. Do another one here. 2, 2, 1. That's 5 and 5. So I can just count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, so 20 feet. It's just a perimeter problem. Now I also could have done just one of these and multiplied it by 4, because I need to do 4 of them, which also would give me 20 feet. I'm going to read now number 11 and 12 to you, and you're going to try those ones by yourselves. A rectangular quilt is 5 feet wide and 7 feet long. How many feet of lace are needed to cover the edges of the quilt? So edges, that is going to be your huge word there. 5 feet wide, 7 feet long. How many feet of lace are needed to cover the edges, not the inside? So you should start by definitely drawing your rectangle. Okay? 5 feet long, 7 feet wide. What are the edges? And edge is the outside. Think about that one. 12. Amy has a piece of fleece fabric that is 4 feet wide, 4 feet wide and 6 feet long. How many squares of fleece fabric that are 1 foot wide and 1 foot long can she cut from the fabric? Okay, so I'm going to definitely draw that again first. So it says it's 6 feet wide, 4 feet long. How many squares can she cut? So gotta kind of maybe more. I'm not cutting it off the up. So if I'm gonna cut, it's a whole big blanket. If I'm gonna cut a piece of fabric, I'm gonna cut this whole thing out. How many pieces can I get? So I just need to figure. Okay, all right. So you can come back and see my thinking.